On your team.
My name is Leon Thomas, Mayor of Portmore,
On your team.
and I stand here with my two attorneys, Anthony Williams and Annette Henry.
Okay. Yes, why we are here, this afternoon.
Well, this afternoon I've given a report on my side of the story. The meeting was held on the 15th of February at the council building, and what transpired here, I have given that information to the police, and the information that I gave to the police is the situation that exists with the Jamaica Labour Party supporters storming to the meeting, disrupt the meeting and bring it to a end while we were discussing the 15th parish.
Yeah, go ahead.
So what is the outcome of today? Was it an interview with the police? And were there any charges laid against you?
No charges were laid against the mayor. It was merely an invitation by the police high command to ask Mr. Thomas his side of the story. That was basically what transpired on that particular day. And he gave his account as to what transpired on that particular day. And as you heard, he said that there was a meeting of the Portmore municipality to discuss the 15th parish. The meeting was going very, very well when, as Mr. Thomas said, members of the Jamaica Labour Party stormed the meeting and disrupted it. Some were bearing placards and some were dressed in their party colors. The meeting came to a premature end, and that is it. As far as Mr. Thomas is concerned, we wish to make it very, very clear that he has done absolutely nothing wrong that would warrant anything adverse.
Could you say why was this statement of sort be requested by police high command?
Well, our understanding is that there was a report by one or two persons of an incident, perhaps assault. And so we wish to clear the air as to what really transpired. We do not know of any such incident. And on behalf of Mayor Thomas, we are denying any involvement at all in that aspect.
So can you categorically state that this matter has been put to rest?
I can't say that. What I can say for sure and with some certainty is that the police high command asked for a statement as to what happened on that day, and Mayor Thomas basically gave his account of what happened on that day. He's trying to be as transparent as possible.
And can you say that this statement will be in furtherance of an investigation?
Again, we can't say. We can't say.
And it lasted probably a little close to an hour. That was
We could approximate it to an hour.
yeah.
So we are not sure where it will go from here.
We're not sure. What we are sure about is that we gave our side of the story in terms of what happened on that day. And as he said, to repeat, the meeting was progressing very, very nicely to have the minds of the Portmore residents and community members to discuss, to show the pros and the cons, the advantages, disadvantages of it being a parish. And the meeting was proceeding very, very nicely, smoothly. When, as Mayor Thomas said, members of the Jamaica Labour Party stormed the meeting and disrupted the meeting. It came to a premature end.
Right. So it would have been clear, Mr. Williams, that somebody would have made a complaint to the police. An allegation was clearly laid against Mr. Thomas. Can you speak to that?
We don't know who the individual is or individuals are, but it may appear so. One thing we can say is that if in fact there is any such complaint, on our side, Mayor Thomas vehemently denies any involvement in any such incident.
The person, you know, said that they suffer some fracture or something.
We're hearing that for the first time.
And is this the first time Mr. Thomas talking to the police in Natal? Did he make a report shortly after, you know, that incident took place?
I will refer to.
No, I did not make a report to the police because there was no incident. And the police was present also. Senior Superintendent Gray was there along with other police officers in the room because they were invited to the meeting also.
And so, you are prepared to defend your client to the utmost, should in case anything happen by way of a charge or otherwise.
We're prepared to defend him, and at any time we're ready. We're very confident, very confident that should any attempt be made to lay any charges, that we will defend it vigorously, and we also look forward to be successful.
State your name again for the records.
Anthony Williams, Senior Counsel, and Miss Annette Henry, both of whom represent Mayor Thomas.
Good.